Hello viewers, welcome to the Hour of Truth Connect by FEO Media. On today's video, we are talking about Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Dignity. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, is a milestone document in the history of human rights, drafted by representatives with different legal and cultural backgrounds from all regions of the world. The declaration was proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in Paris on 10 December 1948. General Assembly Resolution 217A as a common standard of achievement for all people and all nations. It set out for the first time fundamental human rights to be universally protected, and it has been translated into over 500 languages. The UDHR is widely recognized as having inspired and paved the way for the adoption of more than 70 human rights treaties. Applied today on a permanent basis at global and regional levels, all containing references to it in their preambles. Article 1. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience, act towards one another in the spirit of brotherhood. Article 2. Everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedom set forth in this declaration, without distinctions of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth or other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made on the basis of the political, jurisdictional or international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs, whether it be independent, trust, non-self-governing or under any other limitations of sovereignty. Article 3. Everyone has the right to life, liberty and security of person. Article 4. No one shall be held in slavery or servitude. Slavery and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. Article 5. No one shall be subjected to torture, to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. Article 6. Everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. Article 7. All are equal before the law and are entitled without any discriminations to equal protections of the law. All are entitled in equal protection against any discrimination, in violation of these declarations and against any incitement to such discrimination. Article 8. Everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunals for acts violating the fundamental rights granted him by the constitutions or by the law. Article 9. No one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrests, detentions or exile. Article 10. Everyone is entitled in full equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal in the determinations of his rights and obligations of any criminal charge against him. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the first part of our discussion on the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and Dignity. We've explored the fundamental articles, highlighting the inherent dignity and worth of every individual. However, this is just the beginning. From Article 11 to Article 30, we will be diving into the rights that ensure justice, freedom and equality for all. Stay tuned for the next part of this important conversation. inclusive or nothing, because integrity is the boss of moral. Integrity Lagba by FEO Media.
Honesty is our guide. We say just how we feel. No more fear, no more shame. Our truths are shining bright.